Gloria, and today I want to share with you a very delicious pineapple salsa. It comes out very good, very tasty, very refreshing, and it's perfect for this summer. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have black pepper, table salt, tomato, red onion, chile habanero, white onion, limes, apple pepper, cilantro, and of course my pineapple. Let's get started. Let's start making this delicious pineapple salad. I have all my veggies here. What I am going to do, I'm going to go ahead and rinse them out, wash them completely. I'm just going to remove my onions, put them aside, and I'm going to go ahead and take this and rinse them out completely. Okay, I am ready. I'm going to pour everything in the sink, and then I am ready to start cleaning one by one, making sure that the skin is nice and clean. I'm going to go ahead and go one by one until I am done completely. On the apple peppers, we want to make sure we take the stems off. My cilantro, we're going to go ahead and clean it very well, and this is done. I am so ready to start shopping and making all this salsa. Okay, I'm going to start with my onions. I'm going to go ahead and just slice them and then cut them in little squares, just like this. Please make sure you don't cut yourself. Take your time. We're going to go ahead and just put it aside when we're done. And I'm going to continue with my red onion. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm only using half of both onions. I'm going to go ahead, put it aside. And I am ready to continue. I have my tomatoes here. I'm going to cut them right in the center, and I'm going to take off the seeds. The reason that I take off the seeds is because I don't want this salsa to be really runny and very juicy. We want to have juice, but only the lime that we are going to add. So I'm going to go ahead, reserve the seeds, and I'll enjoy them later with just a little bit of salt right on the top. So I'm going to continue taking the seeds off of my tomatoes, just like this. Be careful, please. I'm going to remove one, each one, just like this. When you have them like this, then I am ready to start cutting them. I'm going to go ahead, slice them thinly, and then I'm going to cut them in little squares. Okay, I'm going to push this to a side, and I'm going to continue with my apple peppers. They have black seeds, so we're going to make sure that we take every seed out. Now that I have removed all the seeds, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm going to start dicing them in little squares until they are nice and cut. Here I have my habaneros. My habaneros, I'm not going to remove the seeds. If you want to, you could remove the seeds, but I want this salsa to be just a little spicy, and I'm only using 2. But if you don't like your salsas very spicy, just add 1. 1 is more than enough. I'm going to go ahead and leave the seeds, and I'm going to start dicing it really small so it will incorporate completely for the rest of the ingredients. I have my limes here. You know that my limes are organic. They're from my yard, and I'm going to go ahead and cut them in half. My limes have no seeds. If you're using lemons or limes and they do have seeds, just put them through a strainer. You don't want any seed to go into your salsa. I'm going to remove just the edges of my cilantro, And now I am ready to start dicing my cilantro in very little pieces. I have everything here. I have my plate on the side, and I'm going to start adding everything here to my plate. Okay, everything is here. Now I'm ready to start adding the salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. And I am adding my black pepper right now. And towards the end, I'm going to start adding the juice of the limes one by one until I am completely done. This is already looking so amazing. The flavors and everything. I can even smell the habaneros. I could smell the apple pepper. But I hope this is not too spicy, my friends, because I really love spicy food. Now I am ready with my pineapple. I'm going to go ahead and just cut it in half. We're going to use one whole pineapple. Look how beautiful it is. Really nice and yellow. Okay, I'm going to start cutting it in little squares, just like this. And like I said, we are using one whole pineapple. Now I am ready to start adding it to my plate where I have everything that I have diced. We're going to go ahead, add it, and we're going to mix it completely. We want to make sure that all those ingredients, all those flavors incorporate completely. We're going to mix it until everything is nice and incorporated. Look at this, my friends. Look, all those beautiful colors. The cilantro, look at this, how beautiful this look. It's nice and refreshing, nice and tasty, and of course, spicy. Look at this, my friends. I'm gonna let it rest. I'm gonna cover it with a piece of plastic. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna let it rest for 1 hour. So I'll see you in a little bit when I am ready to taste this delicious pineapple salad. Done with this pineapple salad. Perfect for the summer, refreshing, healthy, and of course, made at home. You know that this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward. Tasting my recipes. You know something, if you don't like too much spiciness, just add one habanero and one apple pepper. They give such a delicious flavor. You know something, I just can't take it no more. Let me taste it. My mouth is getting watery, and I know yours are too. Excuse me. You know something? It's nice and spicy, but yet not too hot, not too spicy where you cannot taste all those delicious flavors. This salad just came out amazing, my friends. Excuse me. This just came out amazing. And I have combined some lemonade, of course, made at home. Thank you so much, my friends. I hope you could prepare this pineapple salad. You could add it to fish tacos, shrimp tacos, or just as an appetizer. This is just perfect, healthy, nutritionist, and of course, made at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Why not? Share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, my friends, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my pineapple salad. Bye-bye.